guys, I want to share of the one topic. This topic will be very interesting for the helping your learning journey of English language. Yes, you heard right. So let's go on the topic. So our topic is tense. What is tense and how to use in our life? So if you want to know about tense is very important grammatical rule and every second in use in our language, English, Hindi, anywhere. You had absolutely right. English tenses is very important and useful. This grammatical rule, if you want to a lot of speaking in your life in English language, talk to anywhere and talk to foreigners and anywhere, that is very useful. So please, I hope you are listen to carefully, and I will explain of this topic now. So tense is very, it is like what are you doing in your life. It is eating, sitting, sleeping, reading, doing in of any work, and speaking, beating, meeting. This is very simple words meaning and interesting meaning in this from the tenses. Okay, and in this very particular type of this tense, four types. No, I'm sorry, three types of the tense: past, future, and present. What is, and we could understand. We have to understand of the past, future, and present times, and according this time, we can use these tenses in our life and apply in speaking. Without you are knowing this grammatical rule, you can't speaking. Even you are trying to speak English without learning this grammatical rule, and then absolutely you can't speak loudly and you can't speak clearly. Yes, but most of these speakers and most of these most of one and this thinking about without grammatical rule, you can speak loudly, clearly, but this is absolutely right. But even basic grammatical rule you want to know, you have to know about that's it. Without knowing, you can't speak loudly and you can't speak to a lot of, that's right. But how this is no important play role in speaking language. So you can think about Hindi language into stay na वर्ड जस्ट लाइक अगर आप कहीं पे कोई काम करते हो उसमें लिखा रहा है कि नहीं मैं खाना है, जाना है, रहना है, करना है. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द ग्रामेटिकल रूल. दिस एनीवेयर यूज इन योर लैंग्वेज कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द ग्रामेटिकल रूल. ओके, एंड दिस कॉल टू ऑफ टेंसेस. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट grammatical rule, then comment and share this video, and like after this video I will try to make on the topic what is tenses and how to use in any language of the tense. So one thing you remember, without speaking without learning this grammatical rule, you can't speak clearly and understand of other learners and other speaker. I hope you are understand what's weightage value in speaking language of these tenses. No, you know about this everything. So if you are know about tenses and grammatical rule, and then you have to one thing start in your life. But that is the start in your life to practice mirroring practice and video practice. This is the very important things make will be for you to understand to other. Okay, I hope you are understand of this grammatical, how to play how to role play in the speaking. And then bye bye, I will meet in the next video with the new topic. If you are comment in my comment section of the make for the grammatical rule on tenses, and then I will make video on that topic of the tenses. I hope you are understand.